Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm still in Atlanta. So I came here to support Dr. Darryl in the pre-launch of his Aegea business, but I've got to do a video talking to you about two things that are so vitally important, and that would be health and wealth. You know it goes together. So you see me giving all these incredible testimonials with the O2 drops and the Thrive and people losing weight and reversing heart disease, all that stuff. Hit me up for that. But guess what, guys? I love creating testimonies in people's finances too. So I'm like, if I'm gonna be making money for my O2 Worldwide wellness business, I want to make sure that I'm doing right by this money. So many networkers, like, they make a lot of money and then they don't have a lot of money. That is not going to be me. I want to leave an inheritance to my children's children. Don't you? Shake your head up and down like this. Yes, you do. So I am excited that a friend of mine introduced me to a financial membership called the Financial Edge membership. It helps you to get your finances on track. Literally, everything you get, you'd be spending like $500 to $1,000 a month, and all you gotta spend is $79. It's crazy. So packed with value, from credit restoration by a 28-year-old reputable credit restoration company to giving you tax professionals on demand at your beck and call to help you with any kind of question, to wealth building vehicles that have been kept for us for years that we deserve to know about, that you can afford right now where you are, to get out of debt solution that is absolutely amazing. I mean, it is incredible. And so I'm using it for myself. And of course, if you believe in something enough to use it for yourself, why not share with other people and get paid? So if you go to makewealthrealforyou.com, that's the number 4, the letter U, makewealthrealforyou.com. You can look at an overview, look at the concept on getting an instant pay raise. If you have a job, wouldn't you want a pay raise as soon as your next check? Well, we can show you how to do that. We're doing that for people. Check out the video and then give me a call and I'll send you some more information so you can see everything that MWR Financial is about. I think you're going to love it, right? But health and wealth, those two things go together. You don't deserve one or the other. You deserve both and. All right, guys. Talk to you later. 443-864-9440.